Your glasses. Found it. Lost it. Found it.
Yeah, you're like that staticky bang.
I know.
Oh god,
Your camera's like so old school.
I'm filming filming us.
New, actually. It looks so old school. It looks awesome.
Let me tomorrow from my camera so I can film it.
Okay.
Remind me on MSN. Because I know I'm gonna forget.
I never talked to you on MSN.
Yeah, you talked to me yesterday.
Okay, but then for like 5 minutes and then you stopped talking to me and it's like, oh well.
What? You like signed off.
I appeared signed off, so I don't have to talk to people I don't want to.
Hey, come on in here. You have to go.
Oh my god, did you spit on
That's what?
No, it was actually Leah's spit. It's not mine. I did not spit on it. You want to go right outside there and Leah's in the camera and see what I'm on? What are you going?
I don't know, just randomly taking Leah's camera and seeing what she notices. It's like her helmet. Okay, Leah, dance in the rain. I will photograph you dancing in the rain. You just lost some money.
Or marbles.
Holly, why don't you go dance out there and get a little hit in there?
I don't like marbles. Marbles scare me.
Dude, you're scary.
You're scary. Oh, man.
Leah, go start yelling, I'm singing in the rain. Seriously, just run.
I'm singing in the rain!
You have to actually sing it for it to be singing.
What?
You have to actually sing singing in the rain for it to be singing in the rain.
I'm singing in the rain. I can't sing, you know that.
Yeah.
Here. Holly film. Good job. Holly,
Holly, you want to film?
No.
You will be behind the camera the whole time.
Okay, fine then.
you're filming us. Come on.
Okay.
I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain.
You don't know how fucked up that looks.